Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to discuss on dividing polynomials, that is polynomial divided by a binomial using long division method. Example number 1, x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5. So we're going to use long division method. So we're going to have here x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at first the first term of the polynomial or the dividend, then divide this one by the first term of the binomial or the divisor. So we're going to have here x squared divided by x, that will be x. Then after doing this one, we're going to multiply this one to the binomial. So x times x is x squared, with x times 5 will be positive 5x. Then next is we're going to subtract the result. So x squared minus x squared is 0. 7x minus 5x is 2x. Then we're going to bring down positive 10. So plus 10. Then the same procedure with the first one. We're going to have the first term, divide this one with x. So 2x divided by x, that will be 2. So plus 2 here. We will multiply this one to the binomial. So 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Then subtract, the answer will be 0. So x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5 will be equal to x plus 2. Example number 2. 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 divided by 2x minus 3. So we're going to write here 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 divided by 2x minus 3. So the same, first term of the polynomial divided by first term of the binomial. So 2x squared divided by 2x, that will be x. Then multiply, it will be x times 2x is 2x squared. Then x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Then we're going to subtract this one. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. Then negative 11x minus negative 3x, this will become positive 3x. Negative times negative, so we're going to have negative 11x plus 3x. And the answer here will be negative 8x. Then we're going to bring down positive 12. Then same, divide this one with 2x, so the answer here will be negative 4. Then multiply, negative 4 times 2x will be negative 8x. Then negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. And subtracting the 2, the answer will be 0. So 2x squared minus 11x plus 12 divided by 2x minus 3 is equal to x minus 4. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.